How to move an installed game from the Epic Games to another drive or another directory. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have a game installed on your computer from the Epic Game Launcher and you want to move it into another location or drive, here is the tutorial. First of all, make sure to have a backup copy the game you want to copy or move into the computer. So, navigate to the game installation directory, which is C, program files, Epic Games, and the game name. Copy this game folder to another location on your computer. So once this is done, make sure to follow the steps carefully. First of all, open your Epic Games launcher. Thereafter, click on the library options. After that, locate the game that you want to move. For that, click on the three dots next to the game and then click on uninstall. Once the game is completely uninstalled, click on the game in your library to start installing it again and select the new installation location you would like it to be in. Once the download begins, after 2 to 3% downloaded, click on the three dots next to the game name and then click on cancel install. Navigate to the new installation directory you selected for the game and copy the backed up game folder to this location. If you receive a warning to replace any duplicate files, click on the replace to do so. Then after resume the installation process, once the files are verified, you should be able to launch the game. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.